Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to share location with family using Find My application on your iPhone 17 Pro. So you should start by opening Find My application on your iPhone 17 Pro, and as you can see, it's divided into 4 different sections at the bottom side of the screen. You want to go to People's tab, and this is the page where you can manage location that is being shared with others. So you have to tap this plus icon right here and select Share My Location button, and now type in the name or phone number of a family member that you want to share your location with, or you can simply tap this plus icon that will redirect you to your list of your contacts, and it's even easier to select contacts from here. So tap on the person and this is their contact information. At the bottom you want to press Share My Location button and of course select how long you want to share your location. It could be shared indefinitely until end of the day and for 1 hour. So let's select for 1 hour, and if this button turned red, that indicates that you're now sharing your location with this person. So let me close this everything. And yeah, that's basically it. Your family member will receive a notification, and he or she will be able to see your location in their own Find My application. And also, to stop sharing later, you can return to People's tab, select person's name, so simply tap on it and press this Stop Sharing Location button to basically stop sharing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.